Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top medical news. People with anxiety face double risk of developing Parkinson's, according to a study. A new study by the UCL researchers has found that the risk of developing Parkinson's is at least twice as high in people with anxiety compared to those without the condition. The research, published in the British Journal of General Practice, investigated whether there was a link between people over the age of 50 who had recently developed anxiety and a later diagnosis of Parkinson's. Parkinson's disease is the world's fastest growing neurodegenerative disorder and currently affects nearly 10 million people across the globe. The condition is a progressive disorder that is caused by the death of nerve cell in the part of the brain called the substantia nigra, which controls movement. These nerve cells die or become impaired, losing the ability to produce an important chemical called dopamine due to the buildup of a protein called alpha-synuclein. For the study, the team utilized UK primary care data from 2008 to 2018, assessing 109,435 patients who developed anxiety after age 50 and comparing them to 878,256 matched controls without anxiety. They tracked the emergence of Parkinson's features such as sleep problems, depression, tremor, and balance impairment from the point of anxiety diagnosis until 1 year before a Parkinson's diagnosis. This approach helped them understand the risk of developing Parkinson's over time and identify associated risk factors.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
Clinical trial finds slow-release ketamine tablet effective for severe depression. A new tablet form of ketamine has shown promise in treating severe depression, offering a potential alternative to existing clinic-based treatment that can be expensive and lacking in convenience for some patients. The study was published in journal Nature Medicine. Over the past 20 years, research has increasingly shown that ketamine can quickly relieve symptoms of depression in people who haven't responded to other treatments. Most studies have looked at ketamine use in ways not originally approved by regulators, typically administered intravenously. Recently, a nasal spray form of ketamine called esketamine has been approved for use. Both ketamine and esketamine can be given in different ways, and higher doses generally lead to greater improvement in depression than lower doses. A study analyzing different forms of ketamine found that those designed to be processed slowly by the liver and to reach peak levels in the blood more gradually were safer and better tolerated than those that don't have these characteristics. In the study, scientists conducted a randomized controlled trial to test the effectiveness of ketamine tablets in treating depression compared to a placebo. They randomly assigned 168 patients with treatment-resistant depression into 5 groups. 4 received different doses of ketamine and 1 received a placebo. Acupuncture may help manage hot flashes and side effects for women undergoing breast cancer therapy. In a pooled analysis of 3 clinical trials published online in the peer-reviewed journal Cancer by Wiley, acupuncture was found to significantly reduce hot flashes and other hormonal side effects in women undergoing endocrine therapy for breast cancer. Endocrine therapy, which blocks hormone signaling that drives some form of breast cancer, can be a life-saving treatment, but up to 80% of patients who take it experience hot flashes, which is a sudden temporary sensation of body warmth, flushing and sweating, and other side effects. Many patients who experience these symptoms discontinue endocrine therapy, which can put them at an elevated risk of cancer progression and death. Other medication can reduce hot flashes, but they come with unpleasant side effects. Studies have evaluated the impact of acupuncture on hot flashes in women with early breast cancer undergoing endocrine therapy. In the study, researchers conducted 3 independent randomized controlled trials involving 158 women with stages 0 to 3 breast cancer. The participants were divided into 2 groups, which is the immediate acupuncture IA and the delayed acupuncture control DAC. Those in the IA group received acupuncture twice a week for 10 weeks, followed by 10 weeks without acupuncture. The DAC group received usual care for the first 10 weeks, then switched to once weekly acupuncture for the next 10 weeks. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.